either. Oh, yeah.
Can't promise I'll do a good job.
You know, when it's going away, and now you have three dimensions you have to worry about. It's not like a car.
For real.
It's like racing clothes.
Are you ready? I think so. Oh, we gotta see this. Oh. You got a camera?
Like there's dross sometimes on
I should go get mine. Like the slag or whatever? Is that
yeah.
How do you get rid of that?
That's what I was just thinking.
Slag.
That's awesome.
Oh, it goes black? Oh, I can't see what I'm...
No. Sorry, I have that set to like 15 seconds. Going blind?
I'll just hope I'm doing a good job.
That's hot. That is hot when you got graphite glowing. Oh, wow.
Graphite?
That's what that crucible's made out of, and that's what that thing's made out of.
Oh.
Can't
Feel
touch
that.
Warning, don't touch the
You okay?
that did that to one.
Why they had gloves on?
That cool.
Don't you want the snout
Yeah.
to the front?
That's why I was trying to move it around.
Rotate it real quick.
I should have said that.
Okay. Balance.
Okay.
Should I go from the tail, probably?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. That's a good point. It is.
See, these don't go like all the way in.
Yeah, that's
Oh, wow.
Yep. There we
Pretty
go.
heavy.
Is it?
Oh, yeah, because you got all the metal in there, too. It's not just the crucible.
It's just smart doing this right next to
Yeah. That's cool.
Wow. I don't know.
Yeah, I guess if you're gonna not have the accuracy for it, maybe.
Whoa.
It's not too
Cool
bad.
is that?
Oh, man, it's not all the way melted.
Ah.
Oh, now what? Well,
We should have let it set for a little while.
well, you can have a do-over.
Oh, did.
Yeah, I
stuck.
probably can put it all the way in, but
Then that happens.
What are the tongues made of?
Smack it.
doesn't seem to want to go out.
Take your glove off and lay on top of it.
Should get a bucket with some water. There you go.
Nice.
Man.
That's what you get for being impatient.
Well, it's his first time.
Oh, no. seconds.
So what do? Press the screen?
No, you
Huh.
can if you want, but you don't have to.
Well, if I don't see what I'm doing.
You don't have to. Hold it in the general.
That sounds like a... I guess
That's
it's either a
remote control
motorcycle.
car in there. Is it in the garage?
I don't
Do you
know.
think this is going to be hot enough?
Oh, there it is.
That's somebody else's drone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think...
Probably the cops.
Oh, I hope that's the bottom.
Flying around looking for who's shooting.
Yeah. I'd like to see that myself.
It's got to be.
Yeah, try it.
Do you think?
I would. 'Cause I'm tired of waiting.
Yeah, me too. All right, let's see what happens.
Okay.
I wish these were not bent.
It's a glowing... What you call it? Wow. You got more in there.
Over in the corner.
Uh-oh. Almost like this one. I got it.
Ah.
That sort of worked.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh no.
What was that? Oh, this is slag.
Was it?
I
Yeah.
think it was slag.
Oh!
Did it explode?
I wasn't expecting that.
Why
I
is
don't know.
it
Cooled
black?
off so fast it probably hopped
Jeez.
inside there. It probably went.
It's gonna still be hot. Okay.
He's got one of the mini one. It's sort of okay. I think I can cut out some stuff. This is kind of experimental.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah, you'll have to do a few before you get the knack of it. Probably.
Yeah. I think
That's the hole.
That's the one that fell off.
Whoa, yeah.
Did it melt the glove?
No. Oh yeah, no, I guess I shouldn't put that back in when it's wet.
Yeah. Like shatter your graphite. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, with a Dremel tool or something, you could
Yeah,
finish it off.
like even these, I don't know if I can cut
No, that's thin enough. You might go break it off.
probably not.
I think you use the Dremel tool, cut it.
Yeah. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that.
Yeah, that's cool. Hey! Nosy. I think I might have stopped it. I don't know if I had him or not.
And since you play with different people,
That news.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that cool?
Wow. Where'd you get all the silver?
I bought it a while ago.
So now what do you do?
I guess I can like clean it up like with it.
Come on.
I made a video.
Oh, okay. I think